No matter what side of the aisle you're on, if you're thinking about video, you've got to think about budget. So whether you're investing in video as a marketing strategy for your company, or you are a video production company or filmmaker, you got to think about it. So I got 3 tips for you to help you wrap your mind around how to budget most efficiently for your next project. Tip number 1, what are you trying to build? When I ask this question, I like to use the analogy of a house, because houses come in all shapes and sizes. And even if you're thinking about this analogy as, well, there are subdivisions where they have the same footprint or layout, within that footprint, you can have an infinite amount of customizations. And video is not a lot different. There are so many paths to get from point A to point Z. So it's important to think about the end goal. What are you trying to build? Is it a chateau or a shack? Knowing the answer to that question is really going to help you shape what this video content is going to look and feel like in the end. Tip 2, value. Now, I'm not talking about value as in the equipment costs and the labor that's in it. Yes, everyone has to think about what they have in their budget. However, I want to think about what's the potential return on investment. For example, let's say a $5,000 video project solves a $1 million obstacle. Would that be worth it? If you have pain points in your company that you're consistently butting your head up against, and a video can help alleviate that obstacle, taking a potential client into an actual customer, I think maybe the value is a lot higher than the dollar amount you're putting on that project. This is a great question to wrap your mind around. What am I actually getting out of this video? And number 3, do the visuals line up with the brand? So many brands that I know of, whether they're a luxury furniture company or a streetwear fashion, aren't thinking in depth about how their brand is being represented by the visuals. They just throw something up on the internet and hope for the best. How does my brand come across to my target audience? Yes, if you are a luxury furniture company, you're gonna want something that represents the quality, the lifestyle, and the experience that you want this target audience to have by coming into your store and purchasing that beautiful sofa. Listen, no matter what side of the aisle you fall on, this is something you have to think about if you're doing a video project. So visit us at blackwhitemedia.ca and check out our blog where we have a ton of content to help you wrap your mind around all the different facets of video production. See you on the next one.